Hello, this is Amber Wood. Welcome to video 26. Today we are doing the 5-minute makeup routine. So I had posted a picture last week on my social media and I did it in 7 minutes. So I'm gonna try for that 5 minutes today. I've been sent messages about this, from different people wanting like a quick makeup routine, and this is for like moms that just don't have the time because they're dealing with crazy, travelers. It just got a few minutes in that airport bathroom, or just a let's go and let's go see the sights, and then educators. I had one of my friends, she used to be a teacher and now she's in administration. Hey girl. She requested this as well. So, I thought, let me just try and get it together. But before I do it, I am going to time myself and see if I can get it in 5 minutes. Make sure that you subscribe below and do it today. Make sure you hit the notification bell too, so you'll get a little note whenever I have a new video. But I do want to start with the products first. I'm going to tell you what I think would be best for this 5-minute look. Obviously there's going to be variations for whatever products you have or what you're able to get or whatever, but I think this is a good collection of products to get that quick look that doesn't look like you did it in 5 minutes. That's kind of my assessment. So I do have a primer. I'm going to start with the Cover FX primer, blurring primer. I've got the FITme Maybelline foundation. Now, my suggestion for this foundation situation is a stick. Anything with a stick or some kind of applicator is going to be the quickest way to go. That's my suggestion. So there's a lot of good ones out there. I saw Hourglass has a nice one I wanted to try. Depending on your price point, which direction you wanted to go. Like I said, this one's Maybelline. You can get it at, grocery store or whatever. And I've been using it a lot and it's pretty good. It's not full coverage. I do have a lot of spots and stuff that I would like for it to cover a little bit more, obviously. But remember, this is not about being perfect. This is just like trying to have something on so that you look awake and somewhat professional, or just trying to have something on your face so that you don't look like you rolled out of bed. So stick foundation, again, also with the concealer if you need to use concealer. Some people, I hate you, some people don't need concealer, but make sure it's got an applicator, something like that. And then just your basic blush, bronzer, that kind of stuff. Now, my suggestion is to have some sort of, not necessarily a palette, this one is a palette, but it needs to have, the stuff in there. So this one's got blush and bronzer. I've got one from Morphe that's got like the blush and some bronzers. And there's a lot of different companies that make something like that. So I would suggest getting something that's got more than one product in there. Then I am going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics today because it's got, like it says, just Ultimate Basics eyeshadows. What else? Oh, my suggestion on eyeliner. If you want, obviously black is classic, but if you want it to look like you made some kind of effort when you really didn't do much more than you could have otherwise, pop of color. The one I get the most compliments on is this blue one here. It's from NYX Vivid Brights. They have a lot of different colors that you can get, but this blue one, I always get tons of compliments on it, and it's just, I may not even be wearing anything else. That's awesome, but if you got that pop of color, it's like, ooh, draws your eye in. You know what I mean? So that would be my suggestion. If you want to make it look like you made some kind of effort, but maybe you just did this little 5-minute routine, a pop of color, whether it be your eyeliner or your lipstick, something along those lines, I would suggest. So we're going to get started. Enough talk about it. So I am going to time myself. So I'm not sure how this is going to go, but I've got my stopwatch. Boop, ready to go. So I'm going to start and just go as quickly as I can. I'm going to talk you through it. But I'm going to try and get as close to 5 minutes as I can. Like I said, the last time I did this, I did it in 7, which is still good. And plus I had the baby running around, so maybe this might cut out those 2 minutes because the baby's upstairs. But I'm going to try and go for the 5. So, are we ready? Set. And go. Okay. Yeah, it's on. So I'm going to start with the primer. So this one is a really nice. I got it in my BoxyCharm, the last one. Do you guys do any boxes? Monthly subscriptions? I really love the BoxyCharm. It's a little bit more expensive, but look at how big this thing is. I mean, you get full-size stuff. It's totally worth it. Stick foundation. So, like I said, anything with an applicator, a stick. I'm using a lot because, like I said, it's not real full coverage. And this is real pretty, but it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter how it looks at the beginning. It's how it looks in the end. Okay, let me see where we're at. Oh, still less than a minute. I'm doing good, I'm doing good. Remember, this is about quick. We're in the bathroom at the airport, or we got a kid running around and here. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Teachers, you got to hurry up and get to school. Okay, concealer. This is Urban Decay All Nighter. This is a good one. I'm just going to put it on a few spots that I hate. Okay, moving on. Kind of pat that in. I'm going to put a little bit on my eyelid as well because it'll help as a primer for your eyeshadow. But also, if you've got like veins and stuff, like I do, any kind of little spots or whatever, it helps out. Moving on, powder. I'm using MAC setting powder and a big flat brush. So I'm going to start with just right under my eyes, kind of patting it in the spots that I usually feel like I lose my foundation, and then I'm just going to dust it on the rest of the parts. Ooh, my hair. What's going on there? Okay, we're doing good, we're doing good. 2.5 minutes. Okay, so, blush. This is going to be quick. Blush, blush, blush. Oh yeah, bronzer's in the same thing. I forgot. Just get some color on there, you know? I usually, put a little bit on my eyes too, because my eyes tend to look a little ghost-like. So even just that, like, gives you some color. Okay, now I'm going to my Ultimate Basics. I'm going to do a little bit of eyebrow. I'm using a little angled brush, and I'm going to the darkest brown in there because my hair is really dark brown. Just to kind of fill these in a little bit. Now you may use a different brow product, like a specific to brows, which is fine. You know, like a pencil or something like that. I'm just using this today just cause, and I'm messing up. There we go. Okay, now Big Fluffy. This is a Morphe 501. I'm going to kind of I don't even know what this color is. It's called Commando. It's just kind of a nude color. Just kind of dusting that all over. Now I'm using a smaller Fluffy. This is a Smashbox. I'm going to a brown called Lockout. Just putting that in the crease. Where are we at? Oh shoot, I'm at 407. Oh, this may be a fail. This may be a fail, Amber. Okay, move on. Eyeliner. I'm doing that blue eyeliner. See, I start talking. Gotta concentrate. Okay, good enough, good enough. Gotta let that dry. I'm gonna do the lip. I'm doing a Kylie. This is Savage. Let's get a nude lip. Okay, that's good enough. Oh shoot, we're at 5:11. I've already failed. But I am just on the last thing. So it's not terrible. Where's my mascara? Okay, I'm using L'Oreal mascara. Oh shoot. Mascara on the bottom, of course. Okay, that's it. That's the 5 minutes. So 5:45. There it is, 5:45. Okay, do I look like I just woke up? Not terrible. My hair's a little crazy. I've got lipstick on. I've got blush on. I think I look okay. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. If I hadn't just kept talking, I probably could have got it in 5 minutes. Okay, now if you have a little extra time, that's what I want to add on, okay? A little extra time. If you want to make a little extra effort. I didn't do anything under other than mascara, so I forgot. Get a little hit under there. Kind of helps out. I didn't do any eyeliner on the bottom because I feel like it might have been just too much. Okay, but what I was going to say though, for like a little extra effort, glitter, obviously. This is a STILA. They call it Glitter and Glow, I think is what they call them. Where's it at? Yeah, Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow. Now there's tons of different liquid eyeshadows that I would suggest. Wet n Wild has a good one called Liquid Catsuit. This one's a really pretty color, Pure Intention. And then here's another one by Wet n Wild. This is all from the Gothographic collection. This is a purpley one called Goth Tears. But the one I'm going to use is a STILA. Now the STILA is a little bit more expensive. It's about 25 bucks just for this little number. And these are like $5 a piece. So it depends on what you want to use. But if you want to give it that just extra little hit, and these are super easy to use, obviously, because it's got an applicator, which is what I was suggesting earlier. Just get a little hit of that on the lid, and you know, like I said, it just kind of makes it look like you made more of an effort than you actually did. If you have questions about any of the products, or you have a suggestion of another video you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, you guys, make sure you subscribe and have a great day. Bye! Today we are doing the 5 minute Today we are doing the 5 minute makeup. 5 minute makeup challenge.